great stuff because it's on 5Z payments and an extraordinary value story here. But the timing of now from winter into spring is right now. Have you done it yet with your clothes? Like I just did it with all of my winter stuff. Put it all away, put it in my Periea boxes, got out the polos, did the big switch. If you want to take that and turn it into that, you can. This is Periea, but when it comes to this offer tonight, this hot pick that was on earlier today and rocked, for 5Z payments of $6, realize that these are not 3 of the itty bitty ones for $10 a piece, everybody. This is what you are getting for 5Z payments of $6. So Google, Frugal, and Padoogle, the large ones, on air and online elsewhere, and they're like $23 a piece because they hold a ton, because you can see what's in front, and you're getting the large one, and you're getting the medium one, and you're getting the starter as well. So all of these are coming your way. So great story, right?
Yeah, absolutely. 3 of our best sizes that we have, and it's just a great set.
It's a great set. Yeah. This is the ultimate set. If you ever want to get like another set, second set, third set, this is the one to get. Your first set, then all you do is pick up a color right now when we have it. So do we have it in the black dots? We do. But that's about to go away at the end of our day. Do we have it now in the printed floral? Yes, we do, but that's about to go away at the end of the day. All 3 coming your way in the gray, the buffalo check. It's got to have a lot of colors. This is the metallic marble. Other side of the metallic marble, there's the sage linen. And down below, you've got your metallic floral. And then you got your blue linen. So solids, patterns, they all do the same thing. And here is what they do.
Yes, so they come to you collapsed like this, which is great. So if you're not using them, you don't have to worry about storing them. And they pop up super easy. You're just gonna pull up on the steel frame. This large and the medium have 3 pieces. All I'm doing is pushing that to the edge of the box to make it nice and
steel
rigid.
Frame, by the way, these are really sturdy.
Yes, they really
They're
are.
not just pretty, they're really well made. But the Periea, wow, is that they put a window in the front.
Right,
that they put a window in the side, and they give you a zipper on the front.
They give you a zipper here,
up top.
so when they're stacked or on a shelf, you don't have to take the box down to get into it.
10 times better access, 10 times better organization. It's a closet makeover for $10 because there's 10, 10, and 10. You're getting 3 of these now, and here's what you're not getting, Diana, right?
Exactly. The old plastic bin, boxes and things. You have no idea what's inside. If I want to get to the bottom one, I got to move the top one. Only one way in. What's in there?
Look at
this way. They stack beautifully. You could use this like a dresser. You can use this, really for anything. We have dishes in the bottom, but I can see
by the way, look at this, everybody. This is a great setup. That's the best setup I've ever seen.
Yeah, I can see.
Because you have wine glasses on the bottom.
Yeah.
They didn't smash. Well, I mean, you would put like 4,000 pounds on there. It would bend a little bit. But this is a lot. These are really sturdy.
Yeah, each one will support 44 pounds on their own. Toys, think maybe bulk shopping. If you get the extra toilet paper, the extra diapers, the extra sponges, it's a great way to store things. Everything's being protected, dust-free. But you're not going to lose anything because you can always see it because of that front window, and you can always access it as well when it's stacked.
1962 says, I bought several of these over the years, great for storing seasonal clothing because you can see what's inside without opening it up. Right. There are 537 reviews on QVC.com right now. That's a tremendous number of reviews, and they all paid more for this item.
Yeah.
Because this is a holiday weekend deal. It's now about to go away. You have about 40 minutes to go. Take a look.
Yeah, and if you have the before here, the messy closet, that area above our hanging clothes can be just awful to try and keep organized. You need some sort of structure, especially for things like jeans and sweaters. So this kind of gives your closet that makeover, that custom closet feel. You can shop your closet. You can just open up the box from the front.
Love it.
Get in and get your purses. You have shoes, sweaters. I love this.
But this is the big one, everybody.
Yeah.
And this is the $22 one by itself.
Right. But look what I can do. Can imagine if these weren't in the box and I pulled out a sweater off the bottom of a pile. They're all going to fall over. They're going to topple over, and you end up with just a mess up in the top of your closet. This gives you the tool to get organized and stay organized.
We're a great story. So here they are again with a lot of people on the line. This is 5Z payments, and it's holiday weekend deal, and it's free shipping and handling. So it's got the trifecta. Black dots, totally neutral. All of them have the windows. All of them have the zippers, right?
Yes, they all have a window on the side here too, and nice fabric handles. So if you're moving things around, they're great for moving. They're great for moving kids into college. They're great for traveling even. We use these whenever we rent a house. We got to bring sheets and towels and things. They're great for that.
Print the floral. You get 3 of these. So you get the small, the medium, and the big guy, the large one. You have it in the gray. The buffalo check is the black and white. Keep on going, and down below that, you got your metallic marble. Then you've got a sage linen, metallic floral, and then you've got your blue linen. So patterns and solids, all for $6 on a credit card right now.
Yeah, and this one is the small one, and we have stuffed in here a king size down comforter. But look at that, and that's the smallest box. But this is truly a huge comforter. Where are you storing this? You know, if this is in your closet, like this, you can't stack on it. It's getting dirty. It's getting dusty.
The time is
makes
now.
it stackable.
It's like the transition from winter to spring. Sturdy and beautiful, Nancy April said. Excellent for storing sheets, blankets, clothing. I have several in my closet, and I keep everything clean and fresh until I need them.
Yes.
So the time is now. So you can scrunch it up, store it, keep it organized. Little critters aren't going to get near it, right?
No, of course not. Nope. They're going to be dust-free. Nothing can get inside of these, and you know everything's stored. And you're going to be able to find things. You're not going to lose things. You know, you put the holiday decorations away. You'll be able to find them. You can use them in the bathroom. These are great for linen closets, organizing your sheets, your towels. You might want to organize by size. You know, organize by the season. But that space above your hanging clothes that you see there, great for open shelving too. I mean, how much would it cost to have to like put a cabinet there? This kind of becomes the cabinet because you've got that transparent front window, so you can just open and reach in and get what you need.
The 37859 being the item number. You get a small one, the medium one, but you get the large one, the $22 one by itself. So for a few dollars more, you get 2 more Periea boxes. This started in the UK some years ago.
Yes.
Came to Q, and now our most popular brand in this category. So beware the knockoffs. This is the original. One more time. I'll let you do the honors on the colors on this one.
Okay, sure. So this is our black dot. And then coming over here, this is our painted floral, one of the newer ones. Solid gray, metallic marble. This one is metallic floral.
Here's some of the buffalo check.
Yep.
And then 2 of the linens.
Sage linen and blue linen.
And blue linen. Thanks for coming in here.
Thanks so much.
Our President's Day sale continues, by the way. 1,000 people on the line. I'm moving and grooving.